Good morning. My mom and I are here in Arches National Park at the fiery furnace trailhead. And the sun is just now rising. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful morning. I have been waiting 2 years to do this hike. In order to hike the fiery furnace here in Arches National Park, you need to get a special pass. They cost $10 per person. And then you have to check in at the visitor center. And when you check in, you have to go watch this 7-minute video. And then the ranger comes in and gives you a little test. And if you don't pass the test, you don't get to hike in the fiery furnace. Luckily for us though, we passed the test. Quick, can you poop in the fiery furnace? The answer is no, you cannot. The long rows of alternating fins and canyons in the fiery furnace create an environment of sheer walls, exposed cliff edges, and narrow passageways. Within this maze of obstacles and dead ends, hikers encounter rare plants and fragile soils. Misplaced footsteps can cause long-lasting damage. Official start time, 7:45. And look at this sky today. Yes, this is what I was hoping for. This is going to be so awesome. I cannot tell you guys how excited I am for it. To get around the fiery furnace, I think we're looking at around 2.2 miles. I think we've gone roughly 100 yards and we're already lost. We're not even in the fiery furnace yet. Oh my goodness. I think we're back on the trail again. Looks like we need to drop it down right here and take it back up the slick rock. Oh, this is super cool through here. Look at that orange color. What's this sign say? It's showing the arrow in the opposite direction that we're going. So that's good. I don't know, I feel like we're already going the wrong way or something though. Yeah, I can see the stairs going up there. So we're gonna go check this out. So we've just made up this little rocky staircase right there. It's pretty gnarly. And this is getting awesome. Look at this, we got the Moki steps built in, plus a railing. That looks real steep right there. Ooh, look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, this was super cool back here. And there's no signage for this at all. It just says that it's a dead end. And this little part is just beyond the staircase with the rail. Like if you come up the stairs and then just keep going straight past the dead end sign, you'll come out to this. All right, here's the dead end sign. That's where the stairs come up. And this is where we're heading next. Oh, that's cool. We have to do that thing where we put our butt on the rock and then our feet on the rock. What do you call it? Oh, crap. I can't remember. It's not shimmying. Shimmying. Is your name Shimmying? No. Oh gosh, I can't get my foot in there. There we go. I've got my foot in there. There you go. Come on down.
Rip my pants.
Yep. Just ripped your pants, probably.
No. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now, will I get down?
I mean, yeah, you can stand on the on the ground right there.
Well, I know.
There you go.
There.
All right, let's go. We don't want to end up like Aaron Ralston back here. Oh, this is cool back here. Yeah. Are we gonna go across that little ledge? I hope so. Yeah. Yeah. You quit saying yeah, yeah. See, this is looking back in the direction of the trail, and it's got to go right along here. That looks pretty gnarly. And that's a straight drop off right there. Ooh. Wow, this is narrow. Oh, I can't get through. I can barely get through there. Wow, you gotta be like, geez, super skinny to get through this. This is how wide it is. Right there. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting my butt through that little narrow thing. I mean, dude, you'd have to be like on meth or something to get through there. And there was another little slot canyon just to my right. Right here. This one looked a little wider. Wow, this is awesome back here. Wow, look at that. This is sketchy. This is sandy. Yeah, I think it might be able to be done. But, oh gosh.
Boom.
Got it. Ooh, this is narrow. I feel like I'm turning into Nicholas Shimmying again. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think we might have to turn around somewhere right here. This looks crazy. What? good. I think it's right through here. It's where it's going to connect. Okay, what's going on now? Oh my goodness. What's going on now though? The only thing I can think to do is go around the edge of this. Oh my goodness. This is like the only place we can be. Wow. It's getting a little sketchy through here. That looks pretty big back there, actually. Wow, look at this. That ain't it. Well, this doesn't look like the way at all. All right, and we have regained the trail. We're still going in the opposite direction, but at least we're back on it. There are arches hidden all over this place. If you just stop and look around, it's like you'll probably see one. Got it? Yeah.
Keep going till like it's going.
There you go. Turn around, lean in like this. This is the way you do it. You gotta lean in like this. What? This is all a no-go. Oh my goodness. I think I see it though. I think I see it. I think we need to take it across the rock, around, and out. Yeah, that's got to be it. Oh, this is narrow right here. Oh, oh my goodness. Shouldn't have ate that extra cinnamon roll this morning. Here we go. Yeah, I'm starting to learn that if something looks real crazy, it's probably not the right thing. This is it. This is where all the sand is at. Look at that. We're on another little dead end section, but we're gonna go back here and check it out. Yeah, I don't think there's much back here. We're not sure the name of that arch, but that's pretty cool. It's like in that curved wall. Ooh. We had to make a little bit of a move to get up here though. So that's gonna be the overlook right there, which means that the parking lot is like right behind this rock. We can't see it. And we're basically done. Wow. That looks like something out of a painting or something. Look at this little like pothole arch. But that's one of the things that they don't want you to do, is to go hike out and stand on top of the arch. Yep, my mom was just saying that this is a good example of a sand dune right here. You don't want to go walking on the sand. There's like microbes and stuff like that in there. We've gotten back on the main trail again, and we just ran into another dead end. So we're gonna have to backtrack it and try a different direction. She's exploring another one of the mini dead ends. There you go. Utah pose. YMCA. That's another dead end. That's all right though. This is lots of fun just hiking around back here. Yeah, we're definitely back on the main trail now. This is it. I don't think we've been on the main trail for a few minutes now. We've been exploring. Lucy, you've got some exploring to do. This is a pretty serious move. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Oh,
there you go.
okay.
Nice job.
Cool.
You did that better than I did. Yeah, see, all this stuff here is that real delicate microsoil with the microbes in it, microorganisms, micro SD card. Since it's only 11:30 right now, closer probably to 11:45, I want to double back and take it up the regular way. So right here, when you're in the wash, that's the arrow that you want. And this is going to lead right up into the rocks. The good thing is that we know exactly where to go now. It's really not that far, and this shouldn't take that long. It's just too nice of a day. I didn't want this hike to be over quite yet. Plus, I want to experience it in the correct direction. So we're heading back up through here. Come on down.
I'm on there.
Nice job. I almost think the hardest moves are down towards this end. You got to kind of come up these rounded rocks. You got to make some moves here and there. You got to know exactly where to go. But it's really fun. Here's another little section that's going to require some stemming. Yeah, it's called stemming. It's That's where you kind of like press out. Yeah. You got to stem it.
There.
All right. Yeah, and then get in these little steps here. Boom, got it. And in my opinion, this is like one of the just like scariest little parts for some reason. I don't know, I don't like these rounded rocks that just slope off. That would be the worst way to die ever. Where you start sliding all slow, you can't grab on anything, and then you just start sliding faster and faster and faster until you just go bloop right off the edge. Pow, and hit the ground. All right. I don't know, this seems much easier in this direction a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, it's like we're going up in this direction. We're having to climb up the things instead of climbing down them. Yep, and then we need to hop it over here. This is the good thing with knowing where to go. We don't have to waste any time trying to figure it out. Come on, mountain goat. Here. Okay. I think we're moving through here relatively quickly. Well, I know one thing for sure. I'm gonna be a fiery furnace expert after this is all said and done. I mean, we're doing it pretty much both ways. We've explored almost every little nook and cranny that we can, except we somehow missed that big double arch. Okay, well, I thought I knew where we were going. Sorry. Yep, I actually remember this. Got these nice little steps built in. Makes it real nice. Hoo-yah! There we go. Got it? You got it. We're looking real good, guys. We're almost out of here. Just need to take it across this little ledge, bounce it up here, take it through the gap, and then we'll hit like this U-turn and go down the stairs. And then we're pretty much back to the beginning. That's really not too far of a distance at all. However, you could spend a lot of time trying to figure out where to go. Just want to say extra special thank you to my mom for going back this way. I know she really didn't want to, but I kind of wanted to do it in both directions.
It's fine.
Yeah, especially because this is the right way. I'm about 99.9% sure that this is our way out. And just around the corner are the stairs. This is awesome. It's really not that far to connect it back there. It's really not that far at all. It's like surprisingly short. Those things are a little sketchy. It's just like caked with sand. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just stay low in case you start going. There you go. All right. Nice. So let's take it on out of here. This part right here is really cool. Big old giant rocks. It's just now about 12:40 in the afternoon, which means that we've been out here for just under 5 hours total. We originally started at 7:45, so we've been out here for quite a while. But I feel like we're masters of the fiery furnace now. All right, we're finally back in the car and we're sitting down. But we hope you enjoyed the hike, and until the next one, y'all, peace.